Hey guys, today I'm making lamb and veggie soup. Start by adding your soup mix into a pot. This is a mixture of pink lentils, barley, and green and yellow split pea lentils. Add in some water. Place this on the stove and allow it to boil for 15 to 20 minutes. You only want it to be partially cooked. Remove it from the heat and set it aside till needed. In a pot on high heat, add in your lamb, and there's no need for any butter or oil. Then add in your ground black pepper as well as your salt. The black pepper will determine the spiciness of the soup, so you can add as much or as little as you want. Add in some water, mix it well, and allow this to cook till the meat is soft. That should take about 30 to 45 minutes. Stir it occasionally and add in water whenever necessary. While the meat cooks, into your soup mix add in your grated potato, grated carrot, grated onion, grated tomato, celery, and 2 cans of your choice of beans. Make sure to wash out the brine from the beans. When the meat is done cooking, add in your vegetable and bean mixture. Mix it well and allow it to cook for 1 hour. Stir the soup occasionally and add in water if necessary. When the hour is up, give your soup a mix, adjust the seasoning, and it's ready to serve. Enjoy! Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!